Hello everyone, I'm Anuj Jaggi and I'm a legal intern with Lexus and Company. And the topic for today's video presentation is difference between culpable homicide and murder. So let's start. Culpable homicide and murder are given under section 299 and 300 respectively. It can be differentiated within several points such as gravity of the act or intensity of the act. Even if the act committed is sufficient to kill a person, there is a little bit of chance that the person may survive or would have survived after the act was committed. Whereas in murder, there is no chance that a person can survive the act. Hence, all culpable homicide are not murder, but all murder are culpable homicide. Second point of difference between the two is there is a huge difference in the punishment for both of the offense. Whereas in culpable homicide, the punishment is minimum 10 years to life imprisonment, whereas the punishment for murder is life imprisonment to death penalty. Further moving ahead, there has to be a grave and sudden provocation for the act to fall under the category of culpable homicide. But under murder, mere intention to kill is enough to fall the act under the category of murder. Let's take a fictional example like A, who has been recently treated in the hospital for some head injury and has received stitches, and B attacks him on the head with full knowledge of A's injury. Then, under this case, culpable homicide turns to murder, and B would have to face the consequences of the offense of murder. Further, interpretation of intention or knowledge required for culpable homicide and murder. There is also a huge point of difference under this category. For both culpable homicide and murder, the intent to kill the person is necessary. But after interpreting the key point under both the section, that is 299 and 300, it separates two sections are the word likely and sufficient. In culpable homicide, there is likely chance that the person doing the action or the act will cause the death of the victim. But in murder, the act performed is sufficient to cause death of the person. Further, as far as the knowledge is concerned with section 299 and 300, it is the same as intention. In culpable homicide, the knowledge is present that it will likely cause the death. Whereas in murder, the knowledge is present that the act is so dangerous and severe in nature that it will in all probability cause the death of the person or the victim. Further, after interpreting the two sections, that is section 299 and 300 of IPC, we can say that there lies both differences and similarities in culpable homicide and murder. Similarities being the requirement of knowledge and intention. But then again, the difference comes in the likeliness and sureness. Lastly, many instances come in where people ask that whether the offense falls under the category of homicide or murder. And the question is valid to some extent as both the sections are quite similar. The thing separating these two apart is the degree of seriousness of the offense. That's all for today's video, and if you have any questions or queries, please feel free to leave it in the comment section. Thank you.